The global construction market exceeds $12.9 trillion annually. And in most countries of the world, basic materials, blocks, tiles, paving stones, reinforcement meshes, window profiles, are manufactured with machines that came from China. Machines that any entrepreneur can import directly for between $500 and $6,000, and with which they can manufacture the same materials that distributors sell with margins of between 300 and 800%. Today, we are going to see 23 of those machines, the ones that nobody imports, with real factory prices, and with the business they enable from a 200 square meter warehouse or from an unbuilt plot of land. If you want to know how to import any of them from China without intermediaries, the link is in the description. Subscribe and activate the bell. We begin. Machine number 1. Vibro-pressed block machine for concrete blocks and curbs. Price in China, $500 to $2,000. It vibrates and compresses cement, sand, and water in interchangeable molds to produce construction blocks, curbs, and paving stones in cycles of 20 seconds. The global concrete block market exceeds $32 billion. A standard block costs between 30 and 60 cents to produce and sells for between $1 and $2. With 500 blocks daily, the monthly turnover exceeds $20,000. Raw material available in any region of the world. Machine number 2. Interlocking paving stone press for pavements and squares. Price in China, $800 to $3,000. It produces interlocking paving stones for squares, parking lots, and housing developments with a higher sale price than the conventional block. 1 square meter costs between $2 and $4 to produce and sells for between $15 and $40 installed. Municipalities and housing developers are the natural clients with orders of thousands of square meters per project. Machine number 3. Stabilized compressed earth block press. Price in China, $500 to $2,000. It compresses damp earth with 5 to 8% cement into high-resistance blocks without firing. The raw material is the soil of the land. In rural and peri-urban areas of Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, this block sells for between 80 cents and $1.50, and demand far exceeds the available local supply. Machine number 4. Autoclaved aerated concrete, AAC block manufacturing machine. Price in China, $2,000 to $8,000. It produces cellular concrete blocks that weigh up to 40% less than the conventional block, with superior thermal insulation and fire resistance. The global autoclaved aerated concrete market exceeds $22 billion and grows at 7.8% annually. In countries with active energy efficiency regulations, autoclaved aerated concrete is the most adopted material in new residential construction. Machine number 5. Corrugated metal roof, tile roll, forming machine. Price in China, $1,500 to $6,000. It rolls galvanized steel coils into metal roof tiles of continuous length at between 10 and 30 meters per minute. 1 square meter costs between 40 cents and $1 to produce and sells for between $3 and $7 installed. The substitution of cement tile for lighter metal roofing is growing throughout all industrial and commercial construction in the world. Machine number 6. PVC and recycled plastic roof tile extruder. Price in China, $1,500 to $5,000. It produces waterproof, unbreakable roof tiles with a lifespan of more than 25 years. The raw material can be virgin PVC or recycled plastic, reducing the cost by up to 40%. A 40 by 40 centimeter tile costs between 30 and 60 cents to produce and sells for between $1 and $3. Active market in all tropical regions with high rainfall. Machine number 7. Thermal sandwich panel manufacturing machine for industrial warehouses and roofs. Price in China, $2,000 to $8,000. It laminates 2 galvanized steel sheets with a polyurethane core to produce the sandwich panel for industrial warehouses, cold storage rooms, and supermarkets. 1 square meter costs between $4 and $8 to produce and sells for between $12 and $25. A 500 square meter warehouse is a contract of between $6,000 and $12,500. 7 structure and roofing machines. The following 8 are the ones with the highest margin per unit produced. If you want to import any of them from China, the link in the description has the complete process without intermediaries. Machine number 8. Automatic welded wire mesh welding machine for slabs and pavements. Price in China, $1,500 to $5,000. It welds steel rods into mesh panels that are the standard reinforcement for concrete slabs, walls, and pavements. 1 square meter of mesh costs between 80 cents and $1.50 to produce and sells for between $3 and $6 in industrial hardware stores. Raw material, steel rods, available in any country with a basic industry. Machine number 9. Rebar stirrup and spiral bending machine for columns and beams. Price in China, $400 to $1,200. It cuts and bends 6 to 12 millimeter rebars into stirrups and spirals for column confinement. A workshop that produces stirrups on demand for local construction companies invoices between $3,000 and $8,000 monthly with a single machine. In any city with active construction, the demand for stirrups is daily and permanent. Machine number 10. Diamond disc cutter for marble, granite, and natural stone. Price in China, $600 to $2,500. It cuts natural stone slabs into exact pieces for floors, countertops, and claddings. The global processed natural stone market exceeds $44 billion. The margin over the raw slab is between 200 and 400%. Growing demand in the premium residential segment of all developing markets. Machine number 11. Automatic mortar, spraying machine for wall plastering. Price in China, $800 to $3,000. It sprays mortar between 5 and 8 times faster than manual plastering. One operator covers between 100 and 200 square meters per workday. The service charges between $4 and $10 per square meter. With 2 operators, the daily turnover exceeds $800. In any city with active building, finishing contractors are permanent clients. Machine number 12. Expanded polystyrene EPS panel, manufacturing machine for thermal insulation. Price in China, $1,000 to $4,000. It cuts expanded polystyrene blocks with hot wire into panels for roofs, walls, and floors. The global construction insulation market exceeds $63 billion and grows at 7% annually. 1 square meter costs between 40 cents and $1 to produce and sells for between $4 and $10 at construction material distributors. Machine number 13. Fiber cement sheet press for facades and enclosures. Price in China, $1,000 to $4,000. It produces cement and fiber sheets resistant to fire, moisture, and pests for facades and ceilings. 1 square meter costs between 40 and 80 cents to produce and sells for between $2 and $5. It is the most adopted material in social housing in Latin America and sub-Saharan Africa. Machine number 14. PVC profile extruder for windows and enclosures. Price in China, $2,000 to $8,000. It produces hollow PVC profiles for window frames, door leaves, and blinds. The global PVC joinery market exceeds $69 billion. 1 linear meter costs between 50 cents and $1.20 to produce and sells for between $3 and $8 to window manufacturers. A standard window uses between 4 and 5 meters of profile. Machine number 15. High-density polyethylene, HDPE waterproof membrane. Extruder for foundations and terraces. Price in China, $1,500 to $5,000. It produces high-density polyethylene sheets for waterproofing foundations, terraces, and flat roofs. The global waterproofing market exceeds $33 billion. 1 square meter costs between 40 and 80 cents to produce and sells for between $2 and $6 installed. The demand in tropical climates is permanent. The first 15 are basic materials and finishes. The last 8 have the highest service margin. Machine number 16. 2-component polyurethane foam injection machine. Price in China, $500 to $2,000. It sprays polyurethane that expands 40 times its volume to insulate and seal roofs, joints, and chambers. Applied over 100 square meters of roof, it charges between $800 and $2,000 in less than 2 hours of work. Margin over material cost, greater than 500%. Machine number 17. Automatic paint mixer by Exact Color Formula. Price in China, $400 to $1,200. It dispenses concentrated pigments to produce exactly the requested RAL or Pantone color. The margin on paint mix to an exact color is between 40 and 80% higher than that of standard paint. And the customer who needs the same shade for touch-ups always returns to the same mixing point. Machine number 18. Prefabricated concrete stair step and tread manufacturing machine. Price in China, $800 to $3,000. It produces smooth or non-slip concrete steps ready to install. 1 step measuring 100 by 30 centimeters costs between $1 and $2 to produce and sells for between $4 and $10. A 12-step staircase represents between $48 and $120 in sales. In any city with active construction, there are dozens of weekly building sites that need them. Machine number 19. Expansion joint cutter with diamond disc for slabs. Price in China, $600 to $2,000. It cuts expansion joints in already cured concrete to the correct structural depth. Without proper joints, slabs crack. The service charges between $2 and $5 per linear meter. An industrial warehouse generates between 200 and 400 meters of joint. Turnover between $400 and $2,000 per workday with a single equipment set. Machine number 20. Aluminum formwork system for walls and poured slabs. Price in China, $2,000 to $8,000. Reassemblable aluminum molds with between 400 and 500 reuses compared to the 20 or 30 of wooden formwork. Construction companies pay between $8 and $15 per square meter of formwork per use. Renting the system to construction companies of multi-story buildings is one of the businesses with the highest return and lowest risk in the construction sector. Machine number 21. Jaw crusher for gravel and crushed sand production. Price in China, $1,500 to $6,000. It reduces rock into classified gravel and sand that mixers, asphalt plants, and block machines use as raw material. 1 cubic meter of gravel costs between $3 and $8 to produce and sells for between $12 and $25 on site. Margin greater than 300% in regions with active stone quarrying. Machine number 22. Metal post and fence, forming machine for enclosures. Price in China, $1,000 to $4,000. It produces square or rectangular section posts for fencing properties, sports fields, and industrial plants. A 2-meter post costs between $1.50 and $3 to produce and sells for between $6 and $15 installed. Perimeter enclosure contracts for housing developments have a value of between $3,000 and $30,000 per project. And we arrive at machine number 23, the least glamorous one. The one that produces the best-selling material in all informal construction in Latin America, Africa, and Asia, and the one that has the highest investment-to-return ratio of this entire video. Machine number 23. Compact electric block machine for social housing and self-construction. price in China, $400 to $1,000. It produces hollow cement blocks of 4, 6, and 8 inches in cycles of 20 seconds. A block costs between 15 and 25 cents to produce and sells for between 50 cents and $1.20. In countries where self-construction represents more than 40% of new homes, demand is daily and local. With 300 blocks daily, the monthly turnover exceeds $4,000. The investment is recovered in less than 2 weeks of active production. 23 machines, a sector of $12.9 trillion. Vibro-pressed block machine, interlocking paving stones, compressed earth, autoclaved aerated concrete, AAC, metal tiles, PVC tiles, sandwich panel, welded wire mesh, rebar stirrups, stone cutter, mortar sprayer, expanded polystyrene panels, fiber cement, PVC profiles, waterproof membrane, polyurethane foam, paint mixer, prefabricated steps, joint cutter, aluminum formwork, stone crusher, posts and fences, and compact block machine. What they have in common is that they produce materials that the world needs as long as there are people building houses, roads, and buildings. That demand has no dead season. And in most cities of the world, nobody is manufacturing half of these materials locally. If any of them caught your attention, leave me in the comments which one it was and what city you are from. And if you want to import any of them from China without intermediaries and without overpaying, the link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, because every week we show machines and industries that move real money without filters. See you in the next video.